The pier of elevated corridor shall be painted in the shape of Tilak of Tirupati Balajis, which shall be taken as theme for our beautification project. The crash barrier shall be painted with different patterns, and underpass sidewalls shall be painted with the religious motifs of Tirupati and also follow similar color scheme of the Tilak, that is Chandan or golden, red and white. Other transport roads shall be divided by median wherever required, with street lights, landscaping and proper road paint markings. There shall be pedestrian pathways of varying widths, providing for safe pedestrian movement. Surface material used shall be interlocking concrete pavers with tactile flooring as per global standard, ensuring safety and accessibility for visually challenged. Attractive tabletop pedestrian crossing shall be designed to break the monotony of everyday travel and encourage the public to use the dedicated crossways and make the passage clear. There shall be stone bollards at various locations to prevent entry of vehicles on footpaths. There will be multifunctional zone that will also act as a buffer. Street furniture like benches, dustbins, informative signages, road signages, attractive pedestrian lights, planter pots, stone bollards, dustbins at every interval to make the surrounding more fresh and clean. Trees, shrubs, maintenance-free flowering beds shall be planted all along the street, resulting in good air quality, temperature reduction, provide shade area for comfort of users. Decorative tree grates are to be planted for all plantation zone. Adequate two-wheeler on-street parking will be provided in various locations, which will minimize conflicts between vehicular and pedestrian traffic. Addition to this, all junctions and roundabouts shall be beautified with proper landscaping using flowering plants, shrubs and existing sculpture. With this, the city will have beautiful spiritual ambience and at the same time have an infrastructure of the vibrant, thriving town where the local community can live, work and enjoy a healthy life. Improving the experiences of the pilgrims that will leave a lasting impression on all those visiting the spiritual capital of Andhra Pradesh, Tirupati.